Oh dear. Okay.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm hoping that you're doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as I said on my previous video, that today we're going to do a meal prep and a fridge organization. If you're there wondering what to meal prep during this January, for a week, for a month, or for a few days, this video is for you guys. Make sure you stay till the end. If you like the video, kindly consider subscribing. And you know guys, you are the best family that I have. When I say best family that I have, I mean you guys. And thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the video.
But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody.
So guys, I'm done with the green peas. Hii ni kazi. Kubambua hizi vitu. It's work. And also I've prepared the maize. This is for githeri, mixture of maize and beans. Yeah. So we are much ready. You guys, I love the fact that my girls are here helping me around. I tell you the work that meal prep comes with. Hey, you cannot just say like doing a meal prep is really hectic. Preparing the foods, boiling them or cooking them and then keeping them, it's just a lot of work. Plus the sink was full of dirty utensils, but I thank God the girls were helping me around. So guys, I'm hoping that you're enjoying this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. So I want to boil cereals. I'm just going to boil lentils, njahe, The most hardest part of this meal prep was preparing the vegetables and cutting them. That is something that I really hate doing. For me, my vegetables, the vendor normally cuts them for me. I just like buy and then they cut them for me. I come, I rewash and then I cook. So the most difficult part was making the vegetables and cutting, but anyways, I got to do it because it is what it is, guys. And I also want to, by then, you guys, do you chagua the dania? You know, someone told me that you might just eat poison when you don't like pick them because we have some unnecessary plants in them. So you must chagua them. You must like select them before you use them. Okay, guys, that is a hint I've given you. If you don't, please do, because you might just eat poison. So guys, forgive my lighting. It's in the evening and the sun is already down, so I've already prepared whatever I want to put in the fridge. I have my carrots here. I have the dania, and then this is the small broccoli that has remained. I have the mishiri here. I told you I don't throw away my red pepper. This is the work it does, and also my maize. I'll be making some githeri tomorrow, because right now I'm just preparing the cereals. I'll be soaking the beans, and then this is what we have today in the evening or at night. And then I have my courgette right here wrapped up so well. And then this is the melon that I want to keep. I wish I could have bought the full melon, because it's already, like you can see, they've already eaten some. And then I want, for this drink, I want to put some here. For my bananas and avocado, I'm not going to store them in the fridge. I'll just keep them somewhere. So my meals are cooking. We have the minji here, even they are already cooked, and then I have the lentils here, and this is meat. So this is what we'll be having for dinner. I think this is enough. I will not separate it. I will just add in a little bit of meat. This one I will keep it for the next day. And over here I have the fruits of the day. Here, this is what we'll have in the evening. And then I also want to make some vegetables using the mishiri, and then dania, and then broccoli, and then this courgette. So this is what I'm going to prepare for dinner, and I'll be making this with rice. Okay, we also have our vegetables here cooking. So meal prep comes with kinda situation, and you have not seen the floor. Look at that. I also soaked my black beans, the njahe. So this is what meal prep has led me into. I want to clear this mess of camera, guys, and then I'll be seeing you when we pack our cereals after they are cooked and they are cold, so that we can pack them in the fridge. So guys, you can imagine I'm doing all this and we don't have electricity. It went off at 9 a.m. and normally when it goes at 9, it normally comes back at 6 p.m. in the evening. So I'm not so sure if it will come back. I'm just doing this, but my fingers are crossed. So let me clean up this floor and then I'll see you when my cereals are ready, so that you can put them back. You can store them in the fridge, and I'm hoping that by that time electricity will have come back. These girls, they're making noise until my head is feeling like I'm feeling like bursting. And this is what we're going to have for dinner. This particular day was my special day. You have seen this in my previous video. I was making myself birthday dinner just in the house, and I really loved it, guys. So I'm going to have this, and those are the ingredients that I'm going to use. And also before that, the fruit of the day is this melon, mango, and banana. I really love it, and you guys, it's just super delicious. Oh my, don't even mind that red pepper. I normally don't throw them away because I know they are so useful when it comes to storing things in your fridge. If you don't have a zipper or a zip back, whatever it is called, you can also use such a pepper, red pepper, or any sugar pepper. Or for me, I keep them because I know they really come in handy when I don't have a zipper. So
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
The only thing that is remaining is these black beans. They are still cooking, and then tomorrow I'll also be making some githeri. Yep, that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Kindly consider subscribing. Love you so much. Peace.